Alright, this is awesome. My adapter came in today. It's probably been about 10 business days. So it's been pretty quick. Didn't come as soon as I would hope, obviously, because I actually ordered it about 2 weeks ago. But it's here. I'm going to test it out. And here it is. Alright, this is awesome. It actually does stream in HD, which is what I was hoping for. But I already streamed a movie off of Netflix, and it actually does play in high definition. There's a way you can tell what quality it is when you press the select button. So, was able to find out that way. And now I'm just trying out the PlayStation Home, see how well that works out. So far it's working pretty great. The adapter is actually working really well, especially for the $2 that I paid for it. And I'm really glad I bought it because now I can play Metal Gear Solid 4 and not have all the text all blurry and fuzzy. Because that's what it was whenever I collected a weapon and it said you get this much weapon points. I couldn't see the number, but now I can. That's pretty neat. Anyways, I'm going to play a little bit more PlayStation and go to bed. So I will see you guys tomorrow.